Hi, in this video I'm going to review the Kiko Milano Daily Protection BB Cream. And my name is Melissa van Dijk and I'm a makeup artist and none of my videos are sponsored. So I'm going to start off with a little demonstration / tutorial so that you can see how you can use it and how it performs. So that at the end of the video you will know if you like it so that you can purchase it or not. So I'm going to start off with the shade and also what it claims. It has SPF 30 in it, and I'm also using the lightest shade, which is 01 Ivory. And this one comes out liquidish. It's not too watery, which means that it still has a little bit of texture and it's not running down my hand, which is also great so that you have a little bit of grip. It also has a scent, which is kind of sweet, a little bit flowery, but also not too strong. So I'm going to start off with how you can apply it with your fingers and then later on also with a brush. So take a bit on your fingers and you can see it's not too liquidish and it's also not going to run down my fingers, and you can use it with circular motions and also blend it into the skin. And what this one does, which I do really enjoy, is that it starts to give you also a dewy finish. Like it just adds a little bit of glow to your skin, but also gives you a tiny bit of coverage. The coverage is, I would say, sheer. It's not like a medium coverage so that you can still see a little bit of redness going through, as well as also later on, which you can see with my breakouts. So if you have a certain blemishes, then you still might want to use a bit of concealer over it just to really even out your skin tone. But if you have a very even skin tone already and you just want to add a bit of color to it, then this is definitely enough coverage. So this is how it performs while using your fingers, and it just gives you that little bit of a dewy finish. Now I'm going to use a foundation brush for the other side. Same thing, just using a bit on the brush and then applying it also over the face area. And also using circular motions. I personally really like using it with a brush, just because I feel like it's kind of less of a mess, and also the feeling itself and blending finish later on is a bit better with a brush than with my fingers. But this is also a personal preference, of course. So this is what it looks like once I have applied it with the brush evenly. Just this is how I prepare, how I personally prefer to use it. And here you can also see a before and after on what it looks like without it and also with it. It still gives a very sheer coverage, but also adds a glowy finish to it, which I do really enjoy. It just makes the skin look very healthy at the end. Now it also will cost you around $10 US, and you can get it in 7 different shades, which is great for a BB cream, because usually you only get 3 shades, but with this one you can get 7, which I do really enjoy. I personally am really happy with the BB cream. I also like how it feels on the skin. It's not drying at all. If you want to set it because you might also be a little bit oilier, you can do so. But also if you're having a drier skin, it just works great also on dry skin, because I have a combination skin leaning a little bit more towards the drier side, and it just feels great on the skin. It feels very moisturizing. Now, with that being said, and also how it looks and how it has applied, I just hope that you can get something out of this little demonstration and tutorial. And also, if you did like this little review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!